welcome back to the Clothing Project. I'm Lisa, and this project is a thrifted skirt. I need to fix the waist. I think I got it for maybe $3 or $4. It's really pretty watercolor, very summery and springy pattern, and just seems like a lot of fun. It has pockets, but the waistband is too big and the elastic is all stretched out, so I need to replace it. It's not just something that I can take in the sides and have it work, because it's just not stretchy anymore. So what we're gonna do you see how it is full of stitches? So I'm hoping that I can unpick all this stitching and maybe one of the sides and see if I can get the elastic to come out that way. I'll let you know. Should be easy, but usually those things don't turn out very easy, do they? So here we go. Hey, I wanted to show you my favorite way to unpick is to get one of these pairs of really tiny scissors with really pointy tips so that you can really get in there and clip. I think you have a lot more control than a seam ripper, but use whatever is comfortable for you. If you're used to a seam ripper, that's fine. So you can just really easily snip. I like to take a lint roller, and it just helps get all the extra threads that you missed without having to pick up every single thread. So there's a couple tips to help you unpick a little easier. Okay, after all of that unpicking, it's finally done, and now I can just pull this elastic through. Yay! So this one, it worked out that it was just on this end attached together. So I will run elastic through the casing so it closed right here, and then attach everything back with the serger or my sewing machine, whichever machine's going to work today. So shouldn't be too bad. Okay, at this point, I'm going to try it on, and I'm going to find where exactly I want the elastic. Okay guys, fortunately when I tried on the skirt to adjust the elastic, it totally ripped. Such a bummer. So I'm going to add it a zipper, and then I'm going to add snaps to the top, and hopefully we can still salvage this project.